Tired of typing email IDs or account numbers for a purchase in e-commerce websites again and again? Here comes Espanso, an intuitive utility software that enables you to create abbreviations for sentences or words using the concept of text expansion. Setting up is a breeze. Navigate to the library directory under Go tab, press Alt or Option and select Library. From there, go to Application Support, click on the Espanso folder and open the Match folder. Inside, you'll find a script named base.yml. Open the YML file and you'll see scripted languages written here. However, all you need to do is modify these two specific syntaxes. To set abbreviations, adjust the parameters within the quotation marks with your own text along with the colon and the corresponding sentences you want to abbreviate. If you need additional abbreviations, simply duplicate these two parameters and make your modifications. That's all there is to it. Here I suggest you people to not store password kind of text, because when you press Alt or Option plus spacebar, you can see all the abbreviations that have been edited in the file before. So be careful on that. Have a productive day.